Okay, this graphic on the right represents rainfall for the Midwest Corn Belt, the Corn Belt overall in the United States for the last 30 days relative to normal. And you can see that in the western central plains, we've had above normal rainfall, considerable amount of it. A lot of other places we've been below normal rainfall, a lot of problems in Iowa. Remember, USDA is Iowa at 202 and Illinois at 207 bushels per acre. This is the graphic for the same time period in 2017. Both years, the period averaged below normal temperatures. 2017 was actually a little bit cooler than 2018, but pretty close. But during that 30-day window, I know it was warmer before and at the very beginning of that, but during that 30-day window, both of them averaged below normal on temperatures as well as below normal on precipitation.